Most drivers don't think about their safety and security after they park. But imagine leaving your car unattended, only to find out later that an incident occurred and you have no footage. That's where the BlackVue Elite 81CH dashcam comes in. With features like smart parking mode and pre-event recording, this dashcam provides a sense of security that's hard to ignore. Welcome back to Autovated, the place where we break down the latest automotive tech for you. Today, we're taking a look at the BlackVue Elite 81CH dashcam, designed to deliver premium recording and surveillance, both on the road and while your car is parked. This dashcam captures sharp 2K QHD footage at 30 frames per second, powered by the advanced STARVIS 2 image sensor. Whether you're driving in broad daylight or at night, the STARVIS 2 sensor ensures that your footage remains clear and detailed. The HDR imaging balances brightness and contrast in varying light conditions, reducing glare and noise, making your recordings consistently high quality no matter the time of day. One of the key features that sets the BlackVue Elite apart is its smart parking mode. This dashcam automatically detects motion and impacts while your vehicle is parked, saving footage 10 seconds before the event occurs. It also offers time-lapse mode and 1-second fast impact capture for reliable 24/7 monitoring. Keep in mind that to fully utilize parking mode, hardwiring is required. When it comes to parking surveillance, BlackVue's power-saving mode is another standout. It consumes less than 1 milliamps in standby mode, ensuring that even during long periods of inactivity, your dashcam is ready to capture impacts instantly. This is perfect for multi-day recording, especially in high-temperature environments, so you can have peace of mind knowing that the cam won't drain your car's battery. What makes this dashcam even more user-friendly is the Wi-Fi connectivity and cloud features. You can access and manage your footage directly from your smartphone, thanks to built-in Wi-Fi. Live view and event backup allow you to review footage in real time, while remote alerts through the cloud ensure that you're always in the loop, even if you're not near your car. Now let's go over some of the pros and cons. Pros: clear 2K QHD recording. The enhanced STARVIS 2 sensor delivers sharp, high-quality footage both day and night. Smart parking surveillance. Motion and impact detection, combined with time-lapse mode, provides comprehensive monitoring even when you're away from the car. Power-saving mode. The low standby consumption ensures long-term, reliable parking surveillance without draining your battery. Wi-Fi and cloud connectivity. Easy access to footage from your smartphone with live view and event backup features. Cons. Requires hardwiring for full parking features. To take full advantage of the parking surveillance and pre-event recording, hardwiring is necessary. This may not be ideal for everyone. Price point. While the features are top tier, the price may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. When comparing the BlackVue Elite to other dashcams on the market, it stands out with its 2K QHD recording and advanced STARVIS 2 sensor, which is a significant upgrade from the 1080p recording offered by many other models in the same category. If you're looking for a dashcam with robust parking surveillance features, the BlackVue Elite is definitely a strong contender. If this breakdown is helping you cruise toward the perfect dashcam, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an upgrade on your ride. As for build quality, the BlackVue Elite boasts a solid design that's both compact and durable, ensuring long-term reliability. Although there's no long-term data available yet, BlackVue's reputation for producing high-quality dashcams reassures us that it will hold up well over time. Regarding customer support, BlackVue is known for responsive and helpful service, although I didn't need to reach out myself for this review. Still, if anything goes wrong, their customer service is there to back you up. So, who's this dashcam best for? If you're someone who commutes daily and wants to make sure your car is monitored when parked, the BlackVue Elite is a great choice. Its high-quality recording, parking mode, and long battery life make it ideal for daily drivers, especially those who park in areas where security is a concern. In conclusion, I'd say the BlackVue Elite 81CH dashcam is a strong option for anyone looking for a high-performance dashcam that offers more than just road recording. If you value premium video quality, parking surveillance, and reliable power-saving features, this is one of the strongest choices in its class. If you're on a budget and don't need parking mode, there are other models available, like the Competitor X, which can offer similar features for a lower price point. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget, links to the product mentioned are in the comments box and description if you want to check them out. Have any thoughts or already own the BlackVue Elite? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep your ride automated and your footage crystal clear.